Yes.
It looked like I just went and vote. I was caught red-handed.
Lovers of food everywhere, welcome back to How to Foodie Nation, where we embrace all the beautiful flavors of Trinbagonian cooking. Today, Chef is going to teach us how to make Char Siu Pork accompanied by Knorr chicken-flavored fried rice. So let's get cooking.
Kazi, Char Siu Pork. Whenever I go to an Asian restaurant, I must get my Char Siu Pork inside there with a nice portion of fried rice, some chunky vegetables, and maybe some lemon chicken.
So this one is for you?
This one is for me. I know you have your shows where you fall in love with whatever I'm making, but today this Char Siu Pork is screaming my name.
So please, then,
so let's get started with it. So, an array of ingredients inside here.
Right.
Typical Asian ingredients
Okay.
that we use, especially to bring out those great flavor notes in terms of savoriness, sweetness inside there, a little bit of pungency. In terms of doing Asian cuisine, you got to make sure you get it balanced properly.
Complex flavors.
Complex flavors, and that's what it's all about, especially when you're doing Thai cuisine also.
Okay.
So, Char Siu Pork, I know a lot of people like it. Main thing, obviously, is that nice red color. That's one of the ubiquitous signs when it comes to doing some good Char Siu Pork.
Right.
So we have the oven already ready for us. So let's get the marinating process. Usually when you're doing Char Siu Pork, you would use the loin.
Okay,
of the
pork loin.
Pork loin. A little more expensive.
Right.
But the thing about it is that it's too lean, and sometimes I find that the pork shoulder gives me a better fat content. It stays more moist.
Okay, so we're using shoulder today.
Using shoulder today, as you
But
can
you
see.
can use loin.
Loin. So you get nice fat inside there, and I cut them in like about 2 inches in terms of the thickness, and about
Right.
maybe 4 to 6 inches in length. Right? So we're going to do this the easy way.
Yeah.
Get me a Ziploc bag, and what I want to do first and foremost is make the marinade.
Okay.
So we're going inside there. 5 spice, ladies and gents. That ubiquitous spice that is used in the Asian cuisine, mixture of fennel, Star Anise, cloves, Szechuan pepper, Star Anise inside there.
The base of Asian cooking.
Correct. So we're going to go that inside there. Second one is I have some garlic. Could you put that in for me?
Certainly.
This is just minced garlic. Again, Asian cuisine, garlic is a must. Even in our Caribbean cuisine, we love garlic inside there.
We start everything with garlic.
Ginger goes inside there also.
Okay.
Those flavor profiles, again, the flavors of the Orient, ginger and garlic, great marriage. All right. So we also have some hoisin sauce.
Hoisin sauce.
Hoisin sauce.
This is like, what did you tell me? This is like Chinese barbecue sauce?
Correct. Yes, exactly. So you're going to get those nice, savory, deep notes inside there, those robust flavors, and it's going to really cling to the pork really nicely.
Okay.
And allow the marinating flavor of the pork to come through. All right. Let's go in with a little bit of brown sugar inside there also for sweetness. You can just pour it in. And this, ladies and gents, is a Star Anise. This is a very important spice to add when making Char Siu Pork.
It's like a deep note, like licorice.
Licorice, there you go. We actually use this when making morbi.
Yes!
There you
Very
go.
true.
So it's sweet. You could just break it in half in little pieces like that so it breaks down. Put it on inside there. We have some Shaoxing Chinese wine.
We have some what?
Shaoxing Chinese wine.
What is Shaoxing wine?
So Shaoxing is fermented rice wine.
Oh,
so it's rice wine that is fermented, yes.
Okay.
And this gives a very nice complex flavor inside there, a little bit of sweetness and depth.
Okay.
Okay. We also go in with a little bit of honey.
So Chef, I'm noticing a pattern here. We're getting a lot of flavors going. We have our savory ones. We have a lot of sweet ones, like honey and sugar.
There you go. And that's what it is all about, especially when you're doing Asian cuisine and Thai cuisine, as mentioned earlier on. We try to build upon those notes.
Okay.
Get perfect balance. We also go into some soy sauce. So these are the salty notes you just spoke about. All right.
What's this one?
I don't know. You tell me. Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Put it inside there. Oyster sauce, very complex flavor again, and it helps with the marinating process of Char Siu Pork.
Okay.
All right. Now the last ingredient, the red food coloring.
This is what makes Char Siu Pork red, but do we need it?
You don't need it. It's not a natural ingredient per se. You can omit it, but for that ubiquitous, nice look that we know on the presentation.
For restaurant quality thing.
Restaurant quality stuff, you want to make it look that. So it's there for pure aesthetics.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to mix that up nicely. As you would see, we did this in a Ziploc bag because that red food coloring, it's unforgiving, I could tell you.
Yes.
It looked like I just went and vote. I was caught red-handed. See that? Look at that.
So to avoid that, we do it in the back.
So I'm putting in my pieces inside there.
Okay.
Right.
Now, Chef, when we're marinating this meat, how long are we leaving it for?
Typically, I want to go this for about 24 hours. It allows the flavors to really get inside there.
Okay.
And to, mix up well. And that's why we have it in the Ziploc bag, because the surface area of the pork is going to mix. You could now seal it. So you can just take it out of this, put it out of that. There you go. Remove the excess air, seal it up, and then this way you could then massage it and more or less manipulate it so it gets all over in a 360-degree fashion. You want to put this into the chiller for 24 hours, allow those flavors to come together really nicely. Same way as she's doing that. And this is a really great way. You're not going to dirty up your fingers and stain anything.
Yeah, I think we're good.
So we're going to put that in. Now I took the liberty of doing one already. So if you could reach that for me, take that. And this is what we're looking at here right now.
Yeah.
So as you can see, Kezi,
it's red.
that nice red pigmentation.
It's red.
Very important. So I have a rack here. So I'm going to put this here.
Okay.
There you go. From that, you could just line it with some foil underneath. So this prevents the sticking because there are a lot of sweet notes inside here. It's going to caramelize.
Yes.
So to prevent that also, I think I have some water. I'm just going to add it inside here. So any little bit of droppings from the pork or sweetness or sugar, it will not burn. And we don't like to do
have the oven smoking.
the dishes. So you want to take these out like that. Look at that.
Ooh, beautiful.
Put it on here.
Okay.
Nice pieces. There we go again. Now you are seeing the studs of the garlic and the ginger on top there, which is very important. Visually, that is an amazing thing because those flavors are going to permeate. And what you would realize here, Kez, is that apart from just having the pork, I have this really great marinade.
Yeah, we have all this good stuff
I'm
left.
going to hold on to that marinade and we are going to reduce it until it comes half its quantity. We're going to use that to base.
Okay.
My oven is set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put this into the oven for 20 minutes.
Okay.
We're going to then take it off after.
Yeah.
And then we're going to start to baste it. With
Well, go
our
ahead
sauce.
now.
All
Put
right.
it in.
Like you're hungry? Kezi, as promised, I'm taking that same marinade. I have a saute pan on medium heat. I'm going to pour that same marinade inside here. We want to reduce this by half.
Okay.
And we're going to use this to baste our pork.
So we just throw it on and leave it for a little.
It's pretty that easy.
Okay.
And you could see this sizzling, and that's all that great sugar inside there. And that's a sweet, intense sort of syrupy consistency.
It's nice.
So we're there. Hold on to this brush.
Will do.
I need you to start to glaze it or baste it, as people would say. Brush it with this great, nice sauce. This is going to add reinforced flavor, build on the color also, and bring in those sweet notes that Char Siu Pork is known for. The garlic and the ginger on top of there is already star-studded, so that is going to continue to permeate the flavors in it. And I mean, at the end of the day, we're getting those beautiful charred little crisp bits at the end. This has been 20 minutes in the oven already.
So how long will we put it back for?
Well, after this basting process,
yes,
we are going to put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes.
Okay.
And pretty much we'll be good to go. And you could always keep this sauce additional to serve your Char Siu Pork with after.
Sounds good.
So
I'll finish up.
Give it a good basting, girl.
So, Chef, on the side now, we have something that you love, right?
By all means.
Fried rice.
I love
today,
fried rice.
we have our no chicken flavored fried rice, which is so good because it's so easy.
What do you think about it is that this is under the Asian sides. And we are doing Char Siu Pork today. So I think it's brilliant because, yes, we made our pork, but we want something so simple, fragrant, delicious, attractive, convenient.
Something quick, especially on a night when you don't have time to make something long and drawn out. Everything is all in one.
No has made it easy for us. So according to the store pack and the instructions, very easy.
Yeah.
Saucepan, we're going to add 1 3/4 cups of water inside there. So we have our liquid. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter.
Or you can use oil.
By all means. I like the butter. It gives a nice little flavor inside there. You know what I mean? Butter. Butter makes everything better.
But it's good.
So we're going to mix that in together. Take the sachet.
Yes.
That is, we have all our rice, the seasonings, all the aromatics inside there already.
So we don't need anything. No extra sauce, no black pepper, no nothing.
Kezi, this is a one-stop vibe here. When you really think about it, you cannot go wrong.
Can't go wrong.
So we're going to just put it inside there also. And as you can see, the rice, the flavors, everything inside there.
Everything coming out.
Beautiful.
Yes.
And what we need to do is stir this. Allow the flavors to mingle together. We need to bring this to a boil.
Okay.
Once it comes to a boil, we are going to reduce it to a simmer and let it cook for 7 minutes.
Okay.
So once it comes to that boil, we'll handle the next step. So I'm just going to cover it and leave it now. Simple. Again, this smells already, yeah?
Smells good. It smells good.
Oh, beautiful.
Woo! Woo!
You getting whiff of that?
Ooh!
No, you're getting those great Asian flavors inside there already, yeah?
It smells like ginger in here.
I'm getting, obviously it has turmeric inside there, so you get that nice yellow color.
And I see bits of carrots in there as well.
I see peas also inside there. So, I mean, ladies and gents, it is a convenient packaged product. It's amazing.
All in one and so delicious.
So you've seen that this came to a boil. What I'm going to do now is reduce it to a simmer so it gently cooks, allows the rice granules to gelatinize, to swell. And what we're going to do is just return the cover 7 minutes from this point forward.
So we're eating soon.
Oh, yes. And there you go.
A masterpiece.
Convenient as it is, that no Asian fried rice really brought the meal together. Yes, there was some technicality with doing the Char Siu Pork, but this is what it's about.
This was easy.
I mean, think about it, yes. It just shows that, I mean, you could come home, you could do your meat, maybe a veg or whatever the case may be, but then you have these great sides that could make life easy, especially in this hustle and bustle these days where we're always on the run. No, it makes it easy for us. So our Char Siu Pork with our fried rice. And I know you're ready. She's pulling the fork, which means time to eat. So let me dig in. Dig inside. Let me taste the rice first, all right? Because, I mean, this thing is amazing. You're getting ginger.
Chef?
Has a nice bite.
This is so much flavor for such an easy meal.
I mean, the thing about it is that it's comprehensive, as mentioned. You have all the salt, the black pepper, the different flavors, the Asian flavors inside there, the seasonings. So there's no excuse not to delve in. And look at this pork, ladies and gents. The shine on that, it's resplendent. It's almost giving you a sweet eye. She already reached. This is amazing, boy.
It's so good and it's so moist. Just like you said, by using the pork shoulder.
Pork shoulder yields that, so it doesn't dry up. You have a nice little fat on it. You could see with the shine. But you're getting all the flavors of the soy sauce, the teriyaki, the hoisin, the ginger, and the garlic is epic in there. Please
this whole thing smells authentic.
And that's the beauty about it. Again, guys, the Char Siu Pork, beseech you guys to try it. By all means,
I want to finish.
Try the no Asian fried rice.
Definitely, definitely.
And it really does accompany the dish very well. And lickety split, you also how simple we did it. That's why we brought it to you and how to.
So guys, thanks for joining us. If you want to see more of these easy, quick and convenient meals, like our page. And until next time, bye-bye.